Court of Nigeria will tomorrow rule whether Shetima, the vice presidential candidate of the ruling party APC, and to Ahmed Bola Tinubu, broke the law when, as a candidate for Borno State Senatorial District, he accepted to be running mate to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Whether he broke the law by doing that, or whether he didn't break any law. Mind you, the Electoral Act, as amended, the latest, 115 section of it.
There's a mischief that was going on prior to the Electoral Act.
Which the law
wants to stop.
To correct.
And both lawyers and judges and politicians, if we understand it, we won't have all the confusion. The Electoral Act doesn't want somebody to be here and there.
To be double dipping
At the same time. If we understand that standpoint, we can navigate our way.
Says that if you are guilty of double nomination, is either you pay a certain fine or go to prison for 2 years. And if you want to know the answer of what tomorrow's judgment will be like, let me refer you to the case of Uchenwosu in Imo gubernatorial election of 2019, when the Supreme Court ruled that he broke the law by accepting double nominations. And there is a term that is called, in Latin, stare decisis. Simply means that the court should abide by presidential rulings, meaning by precedents, what has been ruled before, especially the apex court of the land. Will they go by that and abide by the rules and regulation and rule that Shetima broke the law? To answer that question, I refer you to this video.
Deserving one at that. That applause can come even louder than that for the #1 judicial officer in this country. This one, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellencies, the Executive Governor and his amiable wife, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor and his amiable wife, I stand on the existing protocol as David.
To this video. That is the #1 judicial official of Nigeria attending a political function. People have been crying that he is not capable of delivering a fair judgment. I remember in those days when we were growing up as children, our uncles who were judges could not even allow our parents to visit them. They couldn't attend public functions, and one of the reasons was to preserve their sense of judgment so that they are not influenced by the public. Now, this is the second time or more that the #1 judicial officer of Nigeria has been caught napping. The other time was in Port Harcourt when he attended a public function organized by Nyesom Wike, the outgoing governor of Rivers State, who hosted the G5 governors as known today. In this video, he was hosted by Makinde of Oyo State, who also is a sympathizer of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Do you think such a man will give a fair judgment or interpret the law as should be? Get into the comment section and let me know. If tomorrow the hopes of million Nigerians will be dashed, or will he have the balls to stand up and tell the power the truth and be the saving grace to Nigeria's dying democracy? Let me know in the comment section of what you think. If he will do the right thing, or according to the critics, he will still not be like Kenya, Malawi, who up to the powers that be and annulled their elections and said that the right thing must be done to save the country's democracy. This is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. Get in the comment section, let me know what you think. Hit the like button and click the button and let me know if they broke the law or if the judiciary will stand up to the test of time and do the right thing. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Our word today goes to President Buhari Muhammadu. Nnamdi Kanu is still languishing in jail. You have the time to redeem yourself. Let Nnamdi Kanu go. If you are asking Nigerians for forgiveness of the wrongs you did to the country, 8 years that you were in charge, whatever you think Nnamdi Kanu did, you don't think that it will be a healing time if you release him from detention, even after courts of competent jurisdiction has said that he should be released and granted bail? Is it not time for that national healing? Or will you leave office and leave Nigeria more divided than it has been? This is just Open Whispers. I'm just saying, be well until we meet again in this arena. Cheers.